Hello, listeners, and welcome back to English Pro Speak. My name is John. Thank you for joining us today.
And I'm Sophia. We are happy you are here to practice with us.
This lesson is for A1 and A2 English learners who want to improve their speaking.
Today, we will practice customer service conversations.
Customer service is helping people who buy products or use a service. It is a very important skill for many jobs.
In this lesson, we want you to speak. Please listen carefully. We will speak very slowly and clearly.
Then, please speak slowly when it is your turn.
And most important, please repeat the phrases out loud. Saying the phrases out loud will help you remember them.
That is right. You can pause the audio at any time if you need more time to think or to speak. Are you ready?
Remember, it is okay to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how you learn.
Do not worry about perfect grammar.
Focus on speaking clearly and calmly.
Replay any section of this podcast if needed. The more you practice, the better English speaker you'll be.
With those reminders in mind, let's begin our English speaking practice for customer service situations.
Our first lesson will be about greeting a customer.
First, we will practice greeting a customer. A greeting is the first thing you say. It should be friendly and polite.
Listen first.
Then pause and repeat the phrase.
Let's try. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Your turn. Pause now for practice.
Good. Here's another one. Good morning, how may I assist you?
Good morning, how may I assist you?
Now you repeat. Pause now for practice.
Good. Let's try another one. Welcome to our store. What can I do for you?
Welcome to our store. What can I do for you?
Now you repeat.
Pause now. Good job.
Now let's try a more casual one. Hi there, how can I help?
Hi there, how can I help?
Now it's your turn. Repeat the casual phrase. Pause now for practice.
Excellent. You can also say good afternoon or good evening, depending on the time of day. Let's practice that.
Good afternoon. How can I help?
Good evening. How can I help?
Now it's your turn to practice. Pause now.
Great work. Imagine a customer walks up to you in the morning. What do you say?
Say your greeting now. Pause to practice if needed.
You could say, good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. How can I help you?
Pause now for practice. Nice.
If you're in a formal setting, you can say, how may I assist you, sir? Or, how can I be of service today, ma'am?
How may I assist you, sir? How can I be of service today, ma'am?
That's right. Use sir for men and ma'am for women.
Children are not usually addressed in this way, but still greet them politely.
Great job on greeting the customer. This is a very valuable lesson.
That's right. First impressions are very important.
You always want to start every conversation politely and do your best to help.
What's your favorite way to greet a customer? Comment below and let us know.
Next, we'll move on to part 2, which is asking about the problem.
After the greeting, you need to understand what issue they have,
Listen to these phrases.
and then repeat them slowly.
What seems to be the problem?
What seems to be the problem?
Now you. Pause to practice.
Very good.
Here's another one you might hear that means the same thing. What seems to be the issue?
Your turn. Repeat the phrase, what seems to be the issue? And one more.
Please explain the situation to me.
Please explain the situation to me.
Good.
Now let's practice with an example.
Imagine a customer says to you, hello, I have a problem with my order. My order is late. How do you respond?
A good response is, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more?
Let's practice saying that. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more?
Pause and practice.
Wonderful. Good job. Next lesson is part 3, showing politeness and empathy.
When a customer has a problem, it is important to show that you understand and care. This is called empathy.
Being polite and showing empathy makes the customer feel better.
Listen carefully and repeat these phrases. I'm sorry about that.
I'm sorry about that.
Your turn. Pause and practice. Good. Here's another one. I understand this is frustrating.
I understand this is frustrating.
Now you. Pause and practice.
Okay, let's try this one. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience.
Repeat. Perfect.
And one more very useful phrase. Let me see how I can help.
Let me see how I can help.
Now your turn.
Pause. Great.
Now, a new practice situation. A customer is upset. He says, "The item I bought is broken. I am very unhappy."
How do you respond politely? Take your time.
Here is a model answer. "I'm very sorry to hear that. I understand this is frustrating. Let me see how I can help you."
I am very sorry to hear that. I understand this is frustrating. Let me see how I can help.
Your turn now. Pause and practice. Your reply was great. Let's keep going.
Now we'll move on to part 4, asking for information.
To solve a problem, you often need more information from the customer, for example, their name or order number.
Let's practice some questions.
Listen and repeat slowly.
Can I have your full name, please?
Can I have your full name, please?
Your turn. Pause. Great.
Next question. What is your order number, please?
What is your order number, please?
Repeat. Pause. Good.
Now, sometimes you do not hear the information. You can say this. Could you please spell that for me?
Could you please spell that for me? Now you practice.
Pause. Wonderful.
The customer says their order number is FG4598. You need to ask for their name. What do you say?
You can say, thank you, and can I have your name, please?
Thank you. Can I have your name, please?
Your turn. Repeat that phrase.
Pause. Excellent work. Keep going.
Now we'll move on to part 5, offering a solution.
After you have all the information, it is time to help the customer.
This is offering a solution.
Let's learn some useful phrases for this. Listen and repeat. I can help you with that.
I can help you with that.
Your turn. Good.
Here is another one. I will check this for you.
I will check this for you.
Repeat. Good. This next one is for a broken item. We can send you a replacement.
We can send you a replacement.
Now you. Very good.
And this one is for money. We can give you a full refund.
We can give you a full refund.
Okay, practice time. The customer says, "You sent me the wrong color. I ordered a blue shirt, but I received a red shirt."
Offer a solution. What do you say?
A good solution is, "I'm very sorry about that mistake. We can send you the correct blue shirt right away."
I am very sorry about that mistake. We can send you the correct blue shirt right away.
Your turn now. Pause and practice. Great.
You are doing a fantastic job.
What solutions have you offered to customers before? Comment below.
Next is part 6, confirming understanding.
Before you end the conversation, it is very important to make sure you and the customer understand everything. This is called confirming.
Listen to these phrases and repeat slowly. Let me make sure I understand.
Let me make sure I understand.
Your turn. Good.
Here's another. So, just to confirm,
So just to confirm,
Repeat. Good.
and after you say the information, you can ask, is that correct?
Is that correct?
Perfect.
Let's practice. You offered to send a customer a new blue shirt. Now confirm the plan with them. What do you say?
You could say, so just to confirm, we are sending you a new blue shirt to your address. Is that correct?
So, just to confirm, we are sending you a new blue shirt to your address. Is that correct?
Repeat. Good job.
Now, on to the last lesson, Part 7, Closing the Conversation.
After the problem is solved, it is time to end the conversation.
Always be polite and friendly.
Listen and repeat these closing phrases. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Your turn. Good.
Here's another one. Thank you for contacting us.
Thank you for contacting us.
Now you. Perfect.
And finally, a nice closing. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Repeat. Now you try.
Good job.
You have helped the customer. End the conversation politely.
What do you say?
You can say, is there anything else I can help with? No? Okay. Thank you for contacting us. Have a great day.
Is there anything else I can help with? No? Okay. Thank you for contacting us. Have a great day.
Wonderful. Great job today.
You have practiced a full customer service conversation step by step.
You learned how to greet, ask about problems, show empathy, ask for information, offer solutions, confirm, and close the conversation.
That is a lot of new English.
Remember, the most important thing is to practice.
The more you speak, the more confident you will become.
That's right. You can listen to this lesson again tomorrow.
Practice the phrases again. Soon they will feel very natural for you.
Thank you for practicing English with us at English Pro Speak.
We are proud of your hard work.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.